Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install NemoClaw in Linux operating systems such as Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, etc. So in your system, this must be there. So if I go into this terminal, this here terminal. So first in your system, curl must be there. So if I write this curl minus minus version, so you can see this version that install. The next is Node.js and npm must be installed there. So if I write there node minus v, so you can see 24 is the version and npm minus v. So 11 version that install. After that Python should be installed. So if I write there Python minus minus version, so you can see 312 version that installed. So it should be higher than 310. Now the next is the in your system Docker must be installed. So Docker minus minus version. So you can see Docker version that already installed. So you should install this Docker, then you can use the NemoClaw. And Git should be optional. Git must be okay optional. This is Git should be in your system. So Git is already installed. So this software that's required. After that, in Google search box right there, NemoClaw, then go on this Nvidia site. And here, if I scroll down, so you can see this. So you need to copy this command, curl, copying this command, and now open the terminal. So first, let's do the clear, and this command you need to paste. Then after here, press enter. Press enter and now you can see Node.js that's found, npm that's found, and now this currently installing the NemoClaw from npm. Now you can see this here NemoClaw that install, and here opens and CLI that also install. This is the version. Okay, and this here if I go up here you can see this all 642 package that's added, and this is the location, and this is all there. After that let's use the clear command, and the next is here we need to use this command. So here we need to use NemoClaw onboard. Copy this one and let's use the terminal. And one more thing, if I write there NemoClaw, then you can see this all helping command is there. Onboard, this is recommended, and this all command. You can start stop this all. So let's use the onboard. Let's use the onboard, and this here NemoClaw onboard. Docker is running open shell CLI this and this here. Now starting open shell gateway and checking Docker downloading gateway. This here 4x7 steps there. You need to go on this Nvidia site. So let's click on this link, opening their Firefox. Here you can see enter your email ID, and after that click on this next. From this place you can get their Nvidia API key. After that paste there, then you can start using this NemoClaw. Here you can see this all steps are successful, and this all done here. The next is you need to do the sign in, then start using NemoClaw. And this is how we can install this NemoClaw in Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.